What if some of the smartest gadgets on Amazon are the ones you've never even heard of? From a countertop machine that does far more than pizza to a notebook that can erase itself, these 15 gadgets are seriously unexpected. And yes, every single product in this video is linked in the description. Think a pizza maker is just for pizza? Think again. The Chefman Everything Maker packs a serious amount of versatility into a compact countertop design, using dual non-stick ceramic plates that heat up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. It can handle pizzas, quesadillas, omelets, sandwiches, and plenty more, while heating in around 3 minutes. Cleanup is also surprisingly easy. If you want one appliance that can replace several countertop gadgets, this is worth checking out. You'll find this gadget linked in the description. Could this become your new favorite kitchen shortcut? Here's a gadget that solves one of those annoyingly common problems: cold coffee sitting beside you while you work. The iKago mug warmer uses precise 1-degree temperature control from 105 to 175 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping coffee, tea, or hot chocolate at the warmth you actually want. Its infrared sensor automatically reacts to temperature changes, while the included 15-ounce mug, lid, and spoon make it a complete setup. With automatic shutoff features, it's convenient for desks and home offices. The purchase link is waiting in the description. Would you use this every morning? Here's a tiny tool that can make hands-on projects dramatically less frustrating. The RAK Magnetic Wristband features 10 powerful embedded magnets that hold screws, nails, bolts, washers, and drill bits right where you need them. Its ballistic nylon and neoprene construction keeps it lightweight and durable, while the thumb loop helps keep it securely positioned during work. Whether you're fixing furniture, working on a car, or handling a DIY project, it saves you from constantly searching for dropped hardware. You can check it out through the link in the description. Would this make your next project easier? Imagine writing in a notebook, sending your notes straight to the cloud, then wiping the pages clean and starting again. That's exactly what makes the Rocketbook course so unusual. Use the included Pilot friction pen, scan your notes through the Rocketbook app, and send them to services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneNote. The 32 reusable pages can dramatically reduce paper waste while still giving you that familiar pen and paper experience. Students, professionals, and organized note-takers could get serious value from it. The product is linked in the description. Could you replace your regular notebook with this? Your phone doesn't need to be trapped in a bulky car mount. The Nite Steelie uses a powerful magnetic system that keeps your smartphone accessible while allowing smooth 360-degree positioning between portrait and landscape viewing. Installation takes less than 5 minutes, and the 3M VHB adhesive creates a secure attachment while still allowing the setup to be removed later. It's a simple solution for hands-free viewing without complicated brackets or arms taking over your dashboard. The buying link is included in the description. Would you prefer this magnetic setup over a traditional phone holder? This is for anyone who wants perfectly cooked meat without constantly lifting the grill lid. The TempPro TempSpike gives you wireless monitoring from up to 600 feet away and includes 2 color-coded probes for tracking both food and ambient temperatures. The probes can handle temperatures up to 1050 degrees Fahrenheit, while the LCD booster lets you monitor readings without constantly reaching for your phone. Smart alarms and preset cooking temperatures make the process even easier. You can find this grilling gadget through the link in the description. Would you trust a wireless thermometer to take over your next barbecue? What if you could make ordinary appliances smarter without replacing them? The Kasa Smart Plug Ultra Mini turns standard outlets into smart controlled outlets, and this 4-pack gives you several ways to automate your home. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant, requires no separate hub, and lets you create schedules, timers, and away mode routines through the Kasa app. Its compact design also helps keep the neighboring outlet usable. For lamps, fans, holiday lights, and everyday appliances, it's a simple smart home upgrade. The product link is available in the description. Which appliance would you automate first? Losing your keys or luggage can turn a normal day into a frustrating treasure hunt. UGREEN FineTrack Air Tracker tags are designed for iPhone and iPad users and integrate with Apple's Find My network to help locate misplaced belongings. This 4-pack includes replaceable CR2032 batteries designed for up to 2 years of use, plus audible alarms for nearby searches. They're compact enough for keys, bags, wallets, and luggage, and there's no subscription fee for the tracking system. The shopping link is in the description. What would you put the first tracker on? Some messes simply don't justify dragging out a full-size vacuum, and that's where this Dustbuster makes sense. Its 16V Max lithium-ion system delivers strong suction for crumbs, hair, dirt, and debris around the home or inside your car. A 180-degree rotating slim nozzle reaches awkward spaces, while the pull-out crevice tool and flip-up brush handle different surfaces. The translucent dirt bowl also makes emptying quick and mess-free. If you want fast cleanup without cords or bulky equipment, this is a practical everyday tool. The link is included in the description. Would you keep one in your car? Some stains don't need a full carpet cleaning machine, but they do need more than a paper towel. The Shark StainStriker is designed for targeted cleaning on carpets, rugs, upholstery, stairs, mattresses, and even car interiors. Its dual-activated OXY formulas work together to attack stubborn stains and odors, while 3 specialized tools handle pet messes, crevices, and different surfaces. The removable dirty water tank makes cleanup easier, and the long cord and hose provide useful reach. If unexpected spills are a regular problem, this could be a seriously useful addition. Its link is waiting in the description. What stain would you test it on first? Here's a travel gadget that can make old-school audio connections feel surprisingly modern. The 12 South AirFly Pro lets you transmit audio from 3.5mm sources, including airplane entertainment systems, gym equipment, car stereos, and older TVs, directly to wireless headphones. It can also work in reverse as a receiver for connecting non-Bluetooth speakers to your phone or tablet. With Bluetooth 5.0, support for 2 headphone sets, USB-C charging, and more than 20 hours of battery life, it's built for people constantly moving between devices. The product is available through the link in the description. Could this become a permanent part of your travel bag? This tiny pump looks simple, but it packs several useful tricks into one pocket-sized gadget. The FLEXTAILGEAR air pump can quickly inflate sleeping pads, air mattresses, pool floats, boats, and inflatable toys, with high and low pressure modes for different jobs. It also includes a built-in LED camping light and a 3,600 mAh battery that can provide emergency phone charging. At just 5.64 ounces, it's remarkably lightweight, while 5 universal nozzles increase compatibility. For camping and outdoor trips, saving space is a huge advantage. You can find it through the link in the description. Would you pack this on your next adventure? If your bag is basically a tangled nest of charging cables, this gadget was made for you. The Bellroy Tech Kit organizes power banks, chargers, cables, earbuds, and other small electronics inside a compact, water-resistant pouch. Its wide zipper opening unfolds the case for easy visibility, while magnetic pockets, elastic cable organizers, and mesh compartments give every accessory a designated place. Instead of digging through multiple pockets, you can keep your entire tech setup together and ready to grab. The product link is included in the description. Would this finally bring some order to your cable collection? Want restaurant-style vegetable cuts without spending forever with a kitchen knife? The OXO Good Grips Chef's Mandoline Slicer 2.0 offers up to 21 different cuts, including straight slices, crinkle cuts, julienne, and French fry styles. Thickness can be adjusted in 0.5mm increments, while the reversible blade and angle design are built for controlled slicing. A protective food holder helps keep fingers away from the blade, and the Mandoline folds flat for easier storage. If you regularly prep vegetables, this could dramatically speed things up. The buying link is in the description. Would you actually use all 21 cutting options? And finally, this might be one of the most useful gadgets you can carry outdoors without even noticing it's there. The Nitecore NU25 MCTUL weighs just 1.65 ounces, but produces up to 400 lumens with a beam reaching 144 yards. Its standout MCT technology lets you switch between warm, neutral, and cool white light, while red light modes help preserve night vision. USB-C charging, IP66 water resistance, emergency SOS and beacon modes, and up to 45 hours of runtime make it incredibly versatile. The product is linked in the description. Would you trust this tiny headlamp on your next night hike? And that's 15 Amazon gadgets you probably didn't know existed, but might suddenly wonder how you lived without. From smarter kitchens and cleaner cars to travel, tech, and outdoor gear, there's something here for almost everyone. If one of these gadgets caught your attention, check the links before you go. Every single product in this video is linked in the description. Which one would you buy first?